All right, I was just out mowing the lawn with these KLEIN Tool Slim Bluetooth headphones. Here they are. So, pretty nice design, certainly slim. They work good on wide domes, work good over a hat. Little buttons on the side, volume down, volume up, real easy to feel with your fingers. A little function button here and a USB charger on the bottom. It all feels pretty good. These are pretty comfy on the ears. They seal well even around a hat. You can kind of see there's a very good seal on them because there's a bit of a taper, because our heads generally will kind of taper. Instead of having a big puff on the bottom, it kind of puts the puff on the top, so it seals around your ears. So when I was out mowing, it didn't feel like a bunch of the sound was just peeking around this area here where my hat is. I did try it with some safety glasses as well. Still a very good seal around these glasses because, again, they poof out on the top. So I feel like these were designed by people who have actually used hearing protection before. The quality of the Bluetooth sound is great. Not too loud, not too quiet. The sound quality was good too. It's not like I'm out there listening to classical music or something, so I don't need perfect sound quality, but I was actually impressed. It sounded like a regular set of headphones. So overall, very nice. They resize really nice with the wires. And when you're not using them, you can kind of fold them up inside of each other. So not bad, doesn't take up too much space. So overall, good set of Bluetooth headphones. I like KLEIN stuff, just seems like it's made pretty decent.